Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Now we are starting exam style questions that is available on page 156 of this O level physics book from written by Tom Duncan and Heather Kennett and published by Hodges Education. And here the first question, the figure 3.249 shows a ray of light PQ. This is PQ is striking a mirror AB. This mirror AB, the mirror AB and the mirror CD are at right angle. This AB and this CD are at right angles. So this ray enters at with this position is with 50-degree angles, and the angle of incidence therefore would be 40 degree because this is a normal. So the mirror AB and the mirror CD are at right angle to each other. QN is a normal. This is normal to the mirror AB. Now state the value of the angle of incidence of the ray PQ. So this angle of incidence is 40 degrees. So this is 40 degree because this is 50 degree. So from normal to this ray is 40 degrees. So this is 40 degrees. This is a part 1, and in the next part B, copy the diagram and continue the ray PQ to show the path it takes after reflection at both mirrors. So for both mirror we can see the figures here. So this is the incident ray PQ, and it enters on the first mirror AB, and it enters with an angle of 40 degree. So with this normal, incident ray has 40 degree angle, so the reflected ray will have a 40 degree. So this is 40 degree, so this will be the remaining angle will be 50 degree. Since this is right angle, so this would be 40 degree. So this angle will apply here. So this becomes, when this is 40 degree, this becomes 50 degree. When this is 50 degree, so it will reflect it with the same angle. So this is 50 degree. So this will reflect with the 50 degree angle. So the incident ray will appear here and it will reflect to the other side of the mirror, and from this it reflects back in this direction. So this is the whole path, or the way that the incident ray is reflected from both mirrors, and it will go in this direction. So this is very important from examination point of view. C part, state the angle of reflection at AB. Angle of reflection at AB is 40 degree. So this is angle of reflection is 40 degree, and the angle of incidence at CD, this angle of incidence at CD is 50 degree, and angle of reflection at CD. So angle of incidence and angle of reflection will be the same, 50 degree. So this part C is covered. And the comment of the path, the ray PQ and the final reflected ray. The final reflected ray will be anti-parallel to the ray PQ as shown in figure above. So this is coming in this direction, but this is going on the other direction. So they are anti-parallel. So this is coming in this way and this is going on the other way. So this is the way the final ray reflected. This was question number 1, which is very important. In a question number 2, which of the following statement is true? A true description of the image in a plane mirror: a real, a larger, virtual and the same size, real and the same size, virtual and a smaller. So plane mirror always gives a virtual image. So this is virtual, this is, but the same size. So this B part is correct because it does not produce a smaller size. So B is a correct answer, virtual and same size. So part A is completed. In a part B, a person stand in front of a mirror. In this figure, how much of the mirror is used to see from eye to toe? So he is here. So we have to see that how much size it required to view from its top to toe. So we can see that his angle will be he will be at the same position at behind the mirror. So the image, so same distance. So this much size of mirror will be required to see from the whole body, eye to toe. So A to B, this part, this section will be required. So a girl stands 5 meters away from a large plane mirror like this. How far must she walk to be 2 meters away from her image? Away from a large plane mirror. How far she walked to be 2 meters away from her image? So she should walk at least 1 meter away from her image, so that how far must she walk to be 2 meters away from her image? She should walk 4 meters toward the mirror. Okay. How far must she walk to be 2 meters away from her image? So if she likes to have a mirror from the mirror to have an image, and the object's distance is 2 meters like this. So if she walks 4 meters toward the mirror, so there will be a 1 meter difference from this object, from this oneself to the mirror, and the image of that body or the girl here with 1 meter. So this image and the girl and its image, the gap is 2 meters. So this is, so she should walk at least 4 meters toward the mirror. Initially she was here at 5 meters from the mirror, and she would like to have an image 2 meters away from her. So she should walk here 4 meters. So 1 meter here and 1 meter here. So she would have this 2 meters difference from here. So this is very important. This is typical questions, and in the next session we will discuss question 3 to 5.